APJ Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India, said, "Life is like a bicycle. In order to maintain a balance, you need to keep on moving." Hi everybody, welcome to the session of Current Affairs with me, Yagyasani Patra. In today's class, first I'll give you the solution of yesterday's questions and then we will discuss the most important current affairs question of today. Yesterday I asked you the questions on first blue blob. So blue blob is associated with which area? Arctic, Antarctic, tropical area. So you must have heard that the Arctic glacier is melting at a very faster rate and 4 times faster than the average areas. But since 2011, the melting of the glacier has slowed down because of a phenomena called the blue blob. So this is a very cold phenomena which is avoiding the melting of the snow or the melting of the glaciers at a very faster rate. So till 2050, this slowdown will continue. So this is about your blue blob. It is near your Greenland, Iceland. Greenland and Iceland mojere jagata padibo. Blue blob. Next question, Tila. So we discussed about Bappi Lahiri, the famous singer who died recently out of obstructive sleep apnea, this disease. And my question was, the incidences of OSA, is it more in the males or in the female? So it is more in the case of males. And again I said that in USA, it is related with obesity, and in countries like USA, a lot of accidents are attributed because of OSA. The drivers, they fall asleep and casualties are reported. Next question, Tila, about FIR. So FIR, First Information Report. My question was whether it is defined in the CRPC 1973 and IPC or not. Friends, FIR is not defined in the Indian Penal Code or CRPC 1973. It is actually mentioned in the cognizable cases of CRPC. After that, I asked you about zero FIR. So, you know that Nirbhaya Act. After Nirbhaya Act 2013, Justice Verma Commission recommended for zero FIR. यानी कि जदि इंसिडेंट्स आउ कौन सी पुलिस स्टेशन रे भी होची तो भी इन अ डिफरेंट पुलिस स्टेशन the FIR can be registered, but there will be no serial number. यार serial number 0 थिबो. Hence the name is zero FIR. याको केबे केबे निर्भया एक्ट भी कहा जाए. And the FIR will be actually transferred to the police station nearby which the event has taken place, and there the serial number will be mentioned and the investigation will be taken up from there. However, to ensure that the police is taking action and speedy action is done, zero FIR concept 2013 re introduced kara jaythila by the Justice Verma Commission. Next question I asked about cognizable and non-cognizable offences. So in certain cases the arrest can be done without a warrant. A type of offences को cognizable offences कहते. Non-cognizable offence माने no arrest without a warrant. So the FIR is registered in the non-cognizable offences section 155, and it is not actually defined in your IPC or CRPC 1973. So it is recorded in section 154 and section 155 of non-cognizable offences. Apart from that, complaint. So जदि FIR नहीं तो फिर कौन चाहिए? So complaint is also defined in CRPC. Next question I asked about the Election Commission of India. Which part of the Indian Constitution discusses about the Election Commission of India? So it is discussed in part 15, article 324 to article 329 discusses about the Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India, friends, is a very, very important topic for the examination, so go through it. And totally there are 3 members in the Election Commission of India, and 3 jana members re jane thanti Chief Election Commissioner and baki di jane thanti Election Commissioners. Please remember that all the 3 members yanko bhitre kichi hierarchy no thai. There is no subordination here. Okay, so the provision of 3 members in the Election Commission of India is so as to handle the cases. Okay, and Next question I asked, World Forestry Day केबे celebrate करा जाता है? So it is observed on 20th of March every year. Question number 9, The Struggle in My Life. This is written by Nelson Mandela, the first black president of South Africa. Next question was, Ukai Dam is constructed on which river? The answer is Tapi River. And then I asked you about Co Lake Oche, joti ki Tulbul project is located. It is a Oxbow Lake. It is built on the river originating from Verinag in Jammu and Kashmir. So Verinag Jammu and Kashmir Jhelum River originate करता है. In Jhelum River, Wular Lake is situated. Wular Lake is the largest freshwater lake of India, and Tulbul project is on the Wular Lake, and it is a Oxbow Lake. Remember. Okay, so now let us go to the quiz of today. My first question is, Hundru waterfall is situated on which river? Second question, so you know that relative humidity and temperature. What is the relationship between relative humidity and temperature? Directly proportional, inversely proportional, remains constant. So what is it? You have to tell me in the comments. Third question, Oj. So you know that in the Lok Sabha and in the state legislative assemblies of the states, kichita seat reserved hai for the SC and the ST candidates. Which article talks about the reservation of seat for SC and ST in the Lok Sabha and in the legislative assembly? This is what you have to tell. Next question is, you must have heard recently Jammu and Kashmir रे जो legislative assembly हबार अच्छे तो तारो delimitation केतेटा constituency रहिबो केतेटा seat रहिबो, and for the first time ST पाई किछटा seat Jammu Kashmir legislative assembly रे reserve होबा को जाउछे, and so you have to tell me that which committee recommendation is there behind the creation of or the delimitation of Jammu and Kashmir. ये को committee मेरा काम चलचे. Apart from that, you must have heard about this group People Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, जोटा Jammu and Kashmir है currently operate करूचे, and this matter काफी time रो ये matter चलचे, ठीक है? So identify the committee which is recommending for delimitation and the other provisions of legislative assembly in Jammu and Kashmir. Further, next question Oj. You must have heard about the Krishna River. It is a peninsular river. Krishna River flows in how many states? And what are these states? Next question is about Falkland Islands. So you must have heard about Falkland Islands. It's an island in South America. Recently there is a matter arisen out of a long dispute between two countries. So Falkland Island को लेके ना को data countries with a dispute चले, that you have to tell me. Next question is, where is the headquarter of UNCTAD? Next question, recently Malawi has declared a polio outbreak. So my question to you is, polio is a disease caused by which agent? Is it viral? Is it bacterial? तारो pathogen कोड हुआ से. Next question is, recently in the month of February 2022, African Union European Union summit took place. Where was the venue of this event? Question number 9. Extended producer responsibility is associated with what? So is it associated with water pollution, air pollution, waste, plastic waste, e-waste, noise pollution? What is extended producer responsibility? You have to tell. Then next question Oche. National Institute for Animal and Biotechnology is located where? Recently this institute was in news because they have invented a novel material जोतिरे Japanese encephalitis रो diagnosis करा जाए परिबो. Japanese encephalitis, you know, it is incurable, and early diagnosis रो ही the mortality can be prevented. So Every year, a lot of a lot of children you must have seen, they die out of Japanese encephalitis. So here a detection by a new material has been discovered, has been invented from National Institute of Animal and Biotechnology. You have to tell me, where is this institute? And last question of the day, Japanese encephalitis is caused due to which agent, which mosquito is responsible for the Japanese encephalitis? So these were the questions of the day. In the next class, I'll discuss about the solution and give you a few other questions. I hope you like the session. If you do, please share it with your friends and spread the word. And Yagya 10 is my referral code for an Academy Plus subscription. You can get additional 10% discount by using this referral code. Thank you so much. God bless you.